Good morning, everyone. This week's example of spectacular customer service is from Sabel at Wells Fargo. As you can see, I'm in Las Vegas. My friend is having his birthday party and his wedding anniversary, and of course we're here for a little March Madness. Before I left, I needed to get some cash, and I went to a Wells Fargo. As soon as I walked in, I went up to the counter and was pleasantly greeted by Sabel. I told her I only needed one transaction and was going to be on my way very quickly. She said she could certainly help. I inserted my card, typed in my PIN code, and the amount of money that I needed. As soon as all the transactions were verified, she turned to me and said, "Mr. Werner, how would you like that cash back?" And with a stoic look, I said, "Sabel, I need that all in pennies." And without missing a beat, she smiled and said, "Mr. Werner, that'll be no problem at all. If you don't mind, it's going to take me a minute. I have them all in the vault." I started laughing and said, "Sabel, I just wanted to see you smile and share our laughs." And we certainly did that. And so whatever way is convenient for you, I'll take the cash. After we finished the transaction, this is where I think the service went from good to great to spectacular. She was actively listening to what was important to me, and she knew there was nothing else she could do for me because I just wanted to hit the road with my cash. Instead, she looked on the computer, saw that I've been a customer for many decades, and looked me right back in the eye and said, "Mr. Werner, I just wanted to say thank you very much for being a customer over all these years." And you know what? She said that, and she was sincere, she was authentic, and she was genuine. And that put a smile on my face for the rest of the day. Sabel and Wells Fargo, thank you for delivering spectacular customer service. Tune in next week as I find and share more examples of spectacular customer service.